Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing another Sephora play. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Sephora play box. For those of you who don't know, this one is a $10 subscription. The beauty of this one is they give you 5 different products, or sample size, deluxe sizes. Sometimes they're full size. Mostly they're deluxe or sample sizes, but you also get a bonus, so that makes it 6 different products. This one is a sleeper in my opinion, because I love this one. You get to try out different products that I normally would not try, and I get to see if I would want to buy a full-size product of it. So I love it. For those of you who don't know, it comes in this Sephora Play themed box, which is super cute. You can use it to store different things, but we'll see what came in the February box. So this is the way that it looks when it comes inside your package, and it says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play if you guys wanted to share that there. And then each month is themed. So this month they give you like a different page here, which gives you the items that are in there. So you guys actually are taking a sneak peek at what is inside my February box, but I didn't see that. So on the theme for this one is Beauty Lover's Heart. So you guys, and it gives you like different information on different themes that they're doing this month. So this says, RIP to the lipsticks we've loved and lost. You are here for a good time and not for long. So just different themes, and I think that's super cute. They used to give you Sephora points, but they don't do that anymore, so it's okay. But if you purchase Sephora Play box throughout the year, it does your points to accumulate if you wanted to get like a deluxe size product. If you shop at Sephora Play, you guys are at Sephora, you guys already know you get points when you shop there. So this will add to your purchases you do buy. All right, so every month, and I'm trying to slow myself down because just in case, each month it comes in this super cute Ziploc baggie that you can reuse for other products. Usually I store my empties in these bags so that I can share with you guys what my thoughts were for the products I receive in my subscription. So the very first product I have here, this is from Peter Thomas Roth, and as you see there, this one says it's a water-drenched hyaluronic cloud cream. It says an innovative ultra moisturizing cream that leaves your skin feeling like it's on cloud 9, so up to 72 hours. So as you guys can see, this is a sample size product, so it's not big, but it gives you an idea on how this product would work. Now, I have tried this before. I know we got a bigger, I would say deluxe size product of this one in my Allure Beauty box, so I definitely would recommend this one. This one was really good, so we have that. And then, let's see what else came in package. And then this one is, okay, so this looks like this is from Kat Von D, and this is a Lock-It Setting Powder. So this says this setting powder has a weightless formula that'll leave your complexion shine-free, so it's safe. It's a safe keeper. And of course it has and I dropped it. And it has a safety seal on it. So I'm not gonna open that up because I am using a different setting powder right now, but just wanted to give you guys. So this is, if you think about it, this is a good size product, a good size sample of it. This is gonna last you, I don't use a lot of setting powder myself, but this will last you a good time while you're using that. So that's good to try out, just in case you're not too sure. This one is Kaika Pear. So that's from Dr. Jarts. This says it's a tiger grass color correcting treatment, SPF 30. And then it says neutralizes redness with a soothing treatment that will turn that flush into a barely there blush. Plus it provides SPF 30 skin sun protection and helps restore the strength of skin. So that's cool. The only thing with this one is you gotta be careful, not be careful with this product, but be careful with these like minis here, because you think it's this big and then boom, it goes inside. But it's okay, like I said, usually things like this, and you see it's green, usually things like this, they're more expensive, so I don't mind. And again, all the information for the products in Sephora Play will be under the video, so you guys can check out the description for that. But this one, I don't mind. So because I kind of put the full price product of it, so if you guys want to take a look, I'm sure this one is a higher more expensive product there, and it's from Dr. Jart, so I'm definitely sure it is. And then another thing we have here is from Tarte Cosmetics. It says this is, what is this? Sea Winter Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF in 39G. This is a medium tan golden color. Now, one of the reasons why I do like Sephora Play is because they do have a beauty profile that you do fill out, so they are tailored to your skin. So it's not like super random products. This is like a Laura Beauty box. I love it, and it's actually my #1 subscription, but it's not tailored to your skin, so I love it. This is what the bottle looks like here. So this is a pretty good portion if you wanted to try that. And then as you can see there, let me see what the medium color would look like, which should be close. So you guys can see that there. I'm gonna just swatch it, and it just totally blends in my skin. So I guess you can probably take a look and see the difference. Not much, but it does, and there's no scent to it. I don't know why I thought there would be, but there's no scent to that one. All right, so and then the next thing we have here is from Josie Moran. This is 100% argan oil, so that's what that looks like there. And then this says it's a certified organic multi-use oil that moisturizes your face, under your eyes, hair, nails, and body. An essential in every beauty lover's collection. I didn't realize that you can use this on your body and your hair and your nails, so that's something new. I thought this was just for your hair, because I've used argan oil before. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but I have. I love it because I usually put it on the ends of my hair, and it doesn't look so dry. Normally my hair is curly and it's dry. So that's a good sized portion here. So this says it's an exclusive with Sephora, so that's not bad. And then that's what the topper looks like. It's clear. So it's basically oil for your hair, body, nails. I usually use these for my hair. All right, and then we always get a bonus product. Usually what I get is like a perfume sample, which I love because I get to try different perfumes that I probably normally wouldn't have known. But this is a shampoo and conditioner. So this is from Playa. It says everyday shampoo and conditioner. It says treat yourself to this purifying hair duo that'll put in the time and effort to preserve your natural oils and promote growth. So not bad. I get to try this. Of course, with like everything, you kind of don't know if a product works with just a sample, but I don't mind getting a sample. This is just a bonus. So let us take a look and see what came in our Sephora Play for this month. And definitely let me know in the comments if you guys gotten any of these products also. So we do have that bonus for the hair and conditioner. We also have the argan oil from Josie Moran. We have from Tarte Cosmetics, we have a foundation. We have from Dr. Jart, it's a targeting green, what was this? A grass color corrector. I've never tried that, so I don't mind that. And then we have from Kat Von D, we have that setting lockets, setting powder. And then we have our moisturizer, which I definitely recommend this full size if you haven't tried that. So that is everything in my Sephora Play box. So what did you guys think for February? For me, I always love Sephora Play because like I said, I tried high quality products that are really expensive normally, but you get to try them and see if you should buy that full size product. So this lets me get to try those items. But let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below of your Sephora Play or my Sephora Play, just to see if you guys loved it, digged it, didn't. Doesn't matter, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.